I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Rapid Mail. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get username and password, open your Rapid Mail and click on Profile. Then click API. Click Add a new API user. Here give the description. Click on Save. Here is the username and password. Now copy the username and password and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization successful. Click Next. Select Recipient List from the drop-down. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition must, then the data you will send to Rapid Mail. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now also check your Rapid Mail recipient. Here is the data that came into Rapid Mail through the integration. Thanks for watching.